Hey everyone, today I have a simple yet powerful exercise that's going to help us effectively communicate emotions with our lines. So, the way you draw lines can completely change the mood of your artwork. A single line can feel tense, energetic, happy, sad, excited, all depending on how you make the mark. This exercise will help us become aware of these types of lines that we make. This will help make your work more dynamic and visually appealing. Here's how it works. Think of an emotion. It can be anything: happiness, sadness, love, fear. You can ask Google to provide you a list of emotions and use that. Uh, and really focus on how that emotion makes you feel physically. So now we're going to grab our pen or pencil and paper, and we're going to draw some lines. Let's start with joy, okay? For me, when I think of joy, I think of a light, energetic feeling. So I want my line to physically represent that. So like I said, to me, it feels very like a light feeling. So I'm going to keep my lines fairly light. And this is not just one line, I'm drawing a series of lines. So I want my hand to feel light when I'm putting down these marks, but I'm gonna move fast. I don't want any sharp edges. Joy to me feels like a soft emotion, like a soft feeling. Again, this doesn't have to make complete sense. It's just we want to build awareness of the types of lines that we draw. Now let's try anger. So anger, when I think of anger, I feel um, it's like a heavier feeling, like a sharp feeling. A little, sometimes it can make you feel like you're a little bit out of control. So let's go ahead and try to draw what anger feels like, or what anger would look like. Again, to me, it feels like a heavier emotion, so I want to draw heavier lines and a little bit out of control, a little bit chaotic. So for me, this is what anger looks like. Let's try sadness. So when I think about sadness, I think about the posture that I might make when I'm sad. I might be moving more slowly when I'm sad. I don't feel like it's a dark emotion, but it might feel dim to me. So let's try sadness. I'm thinking about the posture that I make when I'm sad. To me, I don't know, sadness is like it's like a slow emotion. I don't think it's as dark as anger. It can be, but I'm going to keep things a little bit lighter. We can go a little bit darker here. And you see as I'm going, these lines that are vertical, they feel a little bit too energetic. So maybe changing the lines from these vertical lines to horizontal, that might feel a little bit more sad. So give it a try. Pick an emotion, think about what it feels like to you. Try not to overthink it, just let your hand respond to the feeling, and don't worry if it looks messy. Like I said, there's no right or wrong answer here. And this exercise is always fun. It's a good warm up. It can be a good way to get inspired or even break through a creative block. So give it a try. Let me know in the comments which emotion was the most fun or which was the most challenging to draw. And if you enjoy this exercise, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more drawing workouts and tips. See you in the next one.